Now let's focus on computer vision capabilities in Azure. In this module, we are going to focus on Image Analysis 4.0 with Azure AI Vision Service. This particular model focuses on multiple capabilities, which includes model customization, read text from images using OCR, detect people in images using face detection, generate image captions, detect objects, tag visual features, as well as smart cropping, which are associated with that. As you can see here, we have an image which is taken from Microsoft Learn website, and it is showing me that we have different objects like jeans and footwear is detected. We have different person also detected, and we can also identify a gender of that person, which is male or female. The Azure AI Vision Image Analysis service can extract wide variety of visual features from your images, like it is visible here. You can use the Azure AI Vision Studio to explore this test capabilities. As a demo of this particular module, we are going to try Azure AI Vision Studio at the end of this module. And in this, we are going to try different demos, which I also strongly recommend you to try. After image analysis, we have face detection also as a part of the vision service. Face detection involves identifying regions of an image that contains a human face, typically by returning a bounding box coordinates that form a rectangle around the face. As you can see here, a human face is detected with the square box. Anyone can use this face service to detect blur, exposure, or maybe detect glasses or mask kind of things. You can also detect the objects of the face like head pose, nose, eyes, or you can also have a configuration for your noise and occlusion. A further application of facial analysis is to train a machine learning model to identify known individuals from their own facial features. This is known as facial recognition, and it uses multiple images of an individual to train the model. Initially, you have to train the model with the individual, and then it's going to predict whether the same individual is found in that image or in another videos. Anyone can use the facial service to detect the location of faces in an image, determine if the person is wearing glasses or mask, determine if there is an occlusion, blur, noise, or overexposure for any particular face, and then it can return the head pose coordinates for each of the images. The limited access policy of Azure requires customers to submit an intake form to access an additional Azure AI feature, face services, which includes the ability to compare faces for similarity, as well as the ability to identify the name individuals in an image. You have to make a request to Microsoft Azure for that, and on the approval, you will be able to use these additional features also. Next, we have OCR, Optical Character Recognition, which helping you to read the text from images and photos which are having some handwritten notes also. So OCR enables artificial intelligence system to read text images, enabling applications to extract information from photographs, scan documents, and other source of a digitized text. This service provides a read application programming interface that software developers can use to extract both printed and handwritten text from images. From immediate reading of a small amount of text in images to asynchronous text extraction from a large document, both can be done with this. With this, it's the time to end this module. We are going to focus on Azure AI Vision Studio right now, and there you can find the different demos for optical character recognition, spatial analysis, face analysis, and image analysis. Let's have a look at them. Here is a URL which you can go through and you can try this thing by your own, but let me try some of the demos right now so that you can get an idea. This is my Azure AI Vision Studio, and let me try some OCR first. When I have an optical character recognition, you can see extract text from images kind of demos are available. I can click on try it out. It's going to show me some sample applications where I have some images. I can use those images and I can detect the image text from that. To try this, let me select one of the image. It's processing that, and you can see it's successfully reading those text which are written on that. When I select that, it's also giving me the box that this is the image which is detected. When I'm moving my mouse on this, this is showing me that this is the text which is detected, and then some numbers are there, some other words are there, each and every word is actually detected with that. Same way, I can try a photo of a credit card or maybe an identity card. It works well. Or maybe a handwritten note. Same way, you can go to Vision Studio and you can try different demos which are available here. You don't need a subscription account to try these demos. Let's try some image analysis. Let's say I want to extract some common tags from the images. I can use an existing image. It's showing me that it's showing some clothing, train station, metro station, person. Now these are those attributes which are detected from this. I can get the JSON version of those attributes also. Or if I want to upload my own photo here, and then according to that, if I want to see what kind of attributes are detected, we can try that. If you want to see the documentation, SDK reference, or a REST API association with this, you can get that. Also, if you're a developer of application, I strongly recommend you to go through the samples available on GitHub. You can use these features and the API integrations in your existing applications and make it AI compatible. Finally, last but not the least, we have a knowledge check of this particular module. I want you to pause this video right now and based on your learning, try to answer which options are going to be correct. Just pause it. Let's see whether your answer is correct or not. We have these answers which are the correct one. I hope you guessed it correctly. Otherwise, better luck next time. I'll see you in the next module.